How to add animated shape layers in just 2 minutes using Simplified AI. To begin, click the link provided in the description below to open Simplified AI. Once the page loads, log into your existing account or sign in using your Google account for a seamless experience. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see a menu with a symbol of 9 dots in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click that. From the pop-up menu, select Video. Next, choose your recent project or click the New Video option if you're starting fresh. Select the size of your video based on where you'll be using it, and click Create Project located in the bottom right corner. For this tutorial, I won't be uploading any video, so I'll go ahead and remove this window. But if you want to use one of your own videos, simply drag it into the workspace or upload it. Now let's add some animated visuals. In the left side menu, locate the Visuals tab. Once there, you'll notice 2 options, Static and Animated. Click on Animated. Inside the Animated option, you'll find 3 sections, Shapes, Program Bars, and Audio Visualizer. All of these animations are available for free. To choose an animation, click on the desired section to expand it and view all the available choices. Once you've found the specific animation you want to add, simply click on it. Fantastic! Now you can adjust the position and size of the animation. To preview how the animation will appear in your video, hit the play button above. Make any necessary adjustments to perfect your creation. Now, let's address a common issue that many beginners face, the rapid playing of the animation. If you prefer the animation to play only once, select the animation on the preview and click the Animate button above. In the left section, you'll notice a slider. This slider controls the on-screen duration of your animation. By default, it's automatically set based on the length of your video. To make the animation play only once on your video, make adjustments to the slider to ensure a precise on-screen duration. If you want to add more animations, simply click on the Visuals tab again and repeat the process. It's that easy. Once you're satisfied with your video, there are 2 ways you can share it. Click the Share button in the top right corner of your screen to easily share it with others. If you want to download your video to your computer, click the Export button, also located in the top right corner. From there, click Download and save the file to your desired location.